guys, it's Brenda. I just wanted to share with you, once a month, my girlfriends and I that I have known forever and ever. I've always told you about them. I call them my Birmingham girlfriends, even though we started in Alabaster. So I guess I should call them Alabaster friends. But they're coming over and we're gonna play hand and foot or Mexican train. We haven't decided yet. But I wanted to show you how quick and easy it is to have a lunch where there's no work, no fuss, no fuss. All right, first of all, I went to Heat and Pecan, which I'm going to share with you at some time. I talked to the owner. She said we could come and walk through. They have wonderful things there. So I'm going to start with what we're having for lunch. This is a chicken salad from Heat and Pecan. It's wonderful. All I did was go and order it and put it in. I put the crackers in between there. I'm going to add crackers later. They're not here yet. Won't be here for a little while. And this is pimento cheese that I made. I'll make it for you one day. It's a quick and easy recipe. It's just delicious. So much better to me than buying it. That's Bucky's favorite. I also ordered broccoli salad from there, and then also grape salad. I ordered it all. I already had the pimento cheese, and then I'm gonna have regular crackers, and I got these Townhouse Flipside that I really, really love. So I got that all set up. For dessert, we're gonna have good old Chilton County strawberries. Mary is bringing a pound cake and some ice cream. And then we're gonna top it with either Chilton County peaches or Chilton County strawberries. How easy is that? And she may even buy a Sara Lee, who knows? These are my dessert plates that I found, don't know where. And I got my napkins and I'm ready for it to serve in. I'm gonna show you the table, simple decorations. These and the serving plates I have came from Dollar Tree. I mean, how cool is that? I just love them. I have my swan here ready for it. I have everybody a place set. And after we eat, we'll remove all of this and we'll sit in these 4 chairs for our, whatever we decide to play. We're either gonna play the hand and foot card game or we're gonna do dominoes. And listen, these girls are so super easy. I don't have to do anything except have something to fill our bellies full. So I just wanted to let you know that, let you see how quick and easy it is. There's no shame in the game. You can go and order and bring it in and no longer have to be homemade, which would be in trouble. I love to cook, but I still would rather, if I'm in a hurry, as you all know, I just got back from a trip. I'm fixing to go on a trip. So I've got all kinds of things going on. I've got grandkids this week because school's out. They love to come to Honey's house. I've had them spend the night. So I just wanted to share these quick and easy things with you so you would see it's no big deal to have somebody come over quickly. My house is a mess. That's okay. My laundry needs doing. That's okay. But I just pulled the scarves off of the back porch. We're gonna sit out here for a little while. It's raining today, so it's nice and cool. And I just wanted to let you know, entertaining is not that hard. It's just a matter of, in my case, it's just a matter of getting up and doing it. Just deciding you're going to do it. Okay, guys, till next time.